Hey there, are you struggling with connectivity issues on your Lenovo tablet? If you're seeing the dreaded IP configuration failure message, you're not alone. In this guide, we'll show you how to fix IP configuration failure in Lenovo tablet and get you back online in no time. Whether it's for work, play, or staying connected with loved ones, maintaining a reliable internet connection is crucial. So let's dive into the steps that will help you resolve this issue. Step 1. Restart your router and tablet. The first step to fixing an IP configuration failure on your Lenovo tablet is often the simplest. Start by turning off your router and waiting for about 30 seconds before turning it back on. Once your router has rebooted, restart your Lenovo tablet. Often, this simple process can resolve temporary glitches and reestablish a stable connection. Step 2. Forget and reconnect to the network. If restarting doesn't work, try forgetting the network on your Lenovo tablet and then reconnecting. Here's how. 1. Navigate to the Settings menu and select Wi-Fi. 2. Tap on the network name that's giving you trouble and select Forget. 3. Reconnect to the same network by selecting it and entering the required password. This process forces your tablet to reset the network parameters and often resolves IP configuration failures. Step 3. Check and configure network settings. Sometimes checking and configuring the network settings manually can solve the issue. To do this, 1. Go to Settings and tap Wi-Fi. 2. Tap on the network you're trying to connect to and select Advanced Options or Modify Network. 3. Change the IP settings from DHCP to static. 4. Enter an IP address manually. Make sure it is the same range as your router's IP address. For instance, if your router's IP is 192.168.1.1, use 192.168.1.x, where x is a number between 2 and 254, but not used by other devices. Always double check the settings and ensure you haven't made any typos that could cause misconfiguration. Step 4. Update tablet software and drivers. Outdated software can sometimes cause connectivity issues. Make sure your Lenovo tablet's operating system and drivers are up to date. Here's how. 1. Tap on Settings and scroll down to System Updates. 2. Check for any available updates and install them. 3. Restart your tablet after updates are installed to ensure changes are applied. Updating can fix bugs and improve overall network performance. There you have it. The steps to fix IP configuration failure in Lenovo tablet. Whether it's restarting, adjusting settings, or updating your system, these steps will help you regain connectivity swiftly. Remember, technology can sometimes be temperamental, but solutions are often straightforward. By following these guidelines, you can ensure a smoother and more reliable browsing experience. Happy surfing, and may your internet connection be as strong as ever. Keep these tips handy for when technology decides to throw a curveball your way.